Produced by Serious.
Close your eyes and imagine, feel the magic. Vegas on acid, seen through Yves Saint Laurent glasses. And I realized that I've arrived, cause it take more than a magazine to kill my vibe. Does he write his own rhymes? Or sort of, I think him. That mean I forgot better this than you ever thought of. Damn, is he really that caught up? I ask, if you talking about classes, do my name get brought up? I remember I couldn't afford a Ford Escort or even a 4-track recorder. So it's only right that I let the top drop on a drop top Porsche. Spoil yourself, that's important. If your stripper named Portia and you get tips from any man, then your fat friend, her nickname is Minivan. Excuse me, that's just the Henny, man. I smoke, I drink, I'm supposed to stop, I can't because
best believe a nigga clocking. I run it myself like a quarterback option. I picture 10 G's, tell a bitch to go shopping. She buy herself some clothes and she bought me back a chopper. See nigga tryna kick it, but no, I don't play soccer. I'm all about my kick, I'm tryna marry Betty Crocker. A package on the way, you know my whip game proper. And off for one key, I see $70,000. Now I was shooting dice, smoking on the joint. I bet with your guy, he hit 5 straight points. We over here hustling, we over here grinding. You rap about money and a nigga might sign you. Rap about me and a nigga might find you. Banana in your ass with your head right behind you. Dope game, bitch, let his mama worry about him. You can holler at me a feet.
Money just changed everything. I wonder how life without it would go. From the concrete, who knew that a flower would grow? Looking down from the top and it's crowded below. My 15 minutes started an hour ago. Truth over fame, you know I respect the blatant shit. When I hear him talking, I just don't know what to make of it. Hate is so familiar to me, I'm slowly embracing it. Doesn't come natural, bear with me, it can take a bit. Yeah, and my dreams are who I'm racing with. You can see I'm pacing it, so that I'm always chasing it. Wayne put me right here, that's who I get the paper with. I hope that my success never alters our relationship. Yeah, this life is something I would die for. October's on, but it's looking like July 4. I just wish they let you try it first. This time I'm really going on fireworks.
My chucks, what the fuck's up? This nigga still duct taped up, hundreds in the Marc Jacobs, chronic on the nightstand. You ever seen 100 grand, 10 G's, a rubber band? Shit hotter than the summer, fam. I'm from Compton, where niggas blowing the crowd like Mary J at the summer jam. I'm gangster, Converse on the pavement, international game. Motherfuckers can't say shit rough.
Escalade, low pro, so it look like I'm riding on blades. In 1 year, man, a nigga so paid. I have a straight bitch in the telly going both ways. Touch me, tease me, kiss me, please me. I give it to you just how you like it, girl. You're now rockin' with the best, straight down on my hip, Teflon on my chest. They say I'm no good, cause I'm so good. Big folks do not want me around. Cause shit might pop off, and if shit pop off, somebody gon' get laid the fuck out. They call me new money, say I have no class. I'm from the bottom, I came up too fast. The hell if I care, I'm just here to get my cash. Bougie ass bitches, you can kiss my ass. This is how we do. We make a move and act the fool while we up
cloudy, and my heart so crowded. Hey, I'm so frustrated, like my soul's been taken. Wait.